Okay, let's now unwrap my birthday haul. It's a huge pile. Well, my birthday was on 1st of November, by the way. I have made myself a good cup of coffee. Now let's go on unhauling it. I'm so excited. Okay, the first book we have is this. It's Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie. If you are following me on Instagram, you might be familiar that I love reading murder mysteries. I am a full thriller girl. Literally. See, I have this different pile of books. I have already read these thrillers. Okay, so I wanted to read Agatha since very long because she is very popular and many of my fellow readers have recommended me to read her. So I've got this book of Agatha. Also, I haven't just got one book of Agatha, I've got two books of her. Wait. Yeah. This. It is Silent Night. I guess it's Pirates series, might be. I'm not familiar with it, but yeah, I just love this thing. See, it's so shiny. It's good now. I just love this. So I got these and these two are my birthday gifts, obviously, by of Agatha. Second, we have this Normal People by Shelley Roane. If you know me, I am being dying to read Shelley Roane, but I just didn't got appropriate time or a good time to start her. But now I have already started her. I am buddy reading it with one of my bookster friend on Instagram. So do give me a follow on that. So I've got this. Also, we have Intermezzo by Shelley Roane. It is the latest release of Shelley Roane, and it would be my second read after Normal People, obviously. So yeah, this was also gifted to me by my friend. I was dying to get this, but I got it for free because it's a gift. Okay. Okay, next we have none other than the most popular Sylvia Plath. Okay, this is the journal of Sylvia Plath. It's very beautiful. I mean, I have seen the inside pages. There are drawings, the original manuscripts. Focus. Okay, original manuscripts, and like everything is well written, original. That is not like anything fiction is in this. So this makes me think more of this pretty lady here. Why the books are so shiny over here? I hope it's visible. Yes, it is. Okay, this is second. We have another murder mystery book in art club, that is The Thursday Murder by Richard Osman. Okay, this was also gifted to me and I had my eye on this book since long. I have also added this book in my Amazon cart, but I was not able to get it due to some reasons. But yeah, finally we have this in our house. See, it's so pretty. Okay, next we have some dark romance. Knocking into dark romance. First one we have Flawless by LC. I hope I am getting it right. I know it's a part of a series and it is the last book, but why I bought this because I read something. Okay, I'm reading it to you. Now my agents say I have to clean up my image. So I'm stuck with his ball busting daughter for the rest of the season as my full-time supervision. But I don't get a goddamn babysitter, especially one with skin-tight jeans, a sexy smirk, and a mouth she can't stop running, and the mouth I can't stop thinking about. It's gonna be spicy. I have heard good things about this book and it would be spicy, so I got this. If I found this book good, also I believe the series of the books are not connected by stories, but the characters are connected. So it's fine, I would be able to read it. If I found this good, then I would get the starting books, book 1 and book 2 of the series. Second, we have Wrecked by Lauren Asher. Also, this is the latest release, so I had my eye on this since very start only. Also, I know that it is the part of the series. So if I like this book, I would be buying the first book, first part or the second part of this series. Definitely I will get it. Okay, another LC silver book, which is Of the Races. I follow one of the bookstagrammer. She is very good in recommending dark books. It is also dark romance. I love the print cover. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. So I bought this. I think it's a sport romance. Probably, yeah. I have no idea, but yeah. I'm not reading any blurbs because I want to experience the book from starting till the end. So I'm not reading any blurb. I hope it turns out good. This. Okay, now there are two books more, which is this. It's That One Patient. It's a fiction or a memoir kind of book. It's not non-fiction. It's not real life based. But yeah, here are some doctors who share their real life incidences of their special patient. Okay, being a psychology student, I always look forward to get some books which have these kind of theories. So yeah, I got this book. Also, I love the cover. I haven't read blurb. I have not read any reviews of this book. I have not heard about this book. It's underrated book. It's thin, so I bought it. I actually got gifted actually because yeah. And the last one is this. Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. This was recommended to me by Kriti. If you know, Kriti is a very beautiful, very good soul, and I am fan of her work since the day one I joined Bookstagram. So yeah, she have read this book and she have recommended this book a lot, so I got it, no doubt. So very beautifully, we have completed our birthday book haul, which is this. Also, the books are so pretty now. Okay, here you go. One shot. Okay, I've got all those books and I'm really happy and I'm very thankful to my friends who know what I want, who take me to the bookstore and ask me to randomly pick as many books as I want. I'm just so blessed to have them. So yeah, thank you for watching it.